Ramp is secure.
All right, let's start the unload.
Make sure the ramp's secure, John.
Checklist complete. We are ready for unloading.
Steady now, keep them moving. Watch the gate up ahead.
Everything is running smoothly. The water quality is excellent. Good. Let us check the next trough.
Looks good down here. All right, dropping the next batch now.
This bull's cardiac rhythm seems slightly elevated.
Yes, but the scan shows no abnormalities.
Heart rate is steady. Ultrasound looks clear on the monitor. Good, log that and prepare for release. Dental health is excellent.
Begin the vitals check on bull number 1. Mark bull number 2 as cleared for transport.
Keep them moving. Keep them moving forward.
This batch looks excellent.
I agree, the grain is perfect.
There's a slight imperfection right here. I see it. Let's make sure it's noted for the next stage.
Let's align this side first. We need exactly 2 millimeters here.
The dimensions here seem slightly off. Oh,
Let me check the specs again. It should be 20 by 30.
How does it compare to the swatch now? It's exactly the deep mahogany we wanted.
The client for this brown leather is finding solutions, so double check the manifest. Okay, I will.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Bring that pallet right up to the line.
Manifest signed and ready to go.
Place the jackets on pallet 3. Make sure the count matches the manifest. Got it. Scanning the next box now.